Disabled People's Rights Plan 2025 to 2035. Ministerial foreword. We are proud to present this Disabled People's Rights Plan for Wales, which will help us to advance the rights and opportunities of disabled people, remove barriers, and challenge the prejudice and discrimination they face. Life for disabled people is often difficult, fraught with daily challenges and systemic barriers that impede their ability to participate in and contribute to society fully. These challenges limit disabled people's opportunities and can erode their sense of belonging and inclusion. On the 15th of May, we launched a 12-week consultation on the draft Disabled People's Rights Plan. Throughout this process, we received crucial feedback, highlighting areas of the Disabled People's Rights Plan that were well received, as well as others where this plan could be strengthened. These included the need for clear measurability of impact, the need for a greater emphasis on digital inclusion of disabled people, greater recognition of the roles of parents and carers, and the importance of robust co-production with disabled people. This plan sets out our ambition for a Wales where disabled people can enjoy equitable rights, inclusion and participation. At the heart of our approach is the social model of disability, which helps us to understand how disabled people can be held back by the world around them, and how we can make the world easier for everyone to be part of. We are also guided by the principles and obligations of the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Disabled People. The barriers disabled people face can range from inaccessible buildings and services that aren't adjusted to meet their needs, through to some people's attitudes towards them. We are committed to continuing to remove these barriers, to create an inclusive and accessible society for all. Our commitments are outlined in two key documents. This 10-year plan, which lays out the long-term ambitions, and our short-term actions that we will take forward now. We thank everyone who supported the development of this plan through the Disability Rights Task Force and its working groups, and we thank Professor Debbie Foster for her leadership as Task Force co-chair. The task force worked extensively to consider the challenges identified in the Locked Out: Liberating Disabled People's Lives and Rights in Wales Beyond COVID-19 report, and their recommendations have heavily influenced this plan. This plan can only succeed if organisations and people across Wales work together to deliver it. We will set up an external advisory board to provide advice and support on the implementation, delivery and impact of the Disabled People's Rights Plan. Achieving our ambition of a Wales where disabled people can live, work and flourish as equal citizens requires a concerted effort. Together we can make a difference by removing barriers facing disabled people and challenging the discrimination and prejudice disabled people continue to face every day. By upholding the rights of disabled people and ensuring their voices are heard and acted upon, we can together create an inclusive society. Jane Hutt, MS. Cabinet Secretary for Social Justice, Trefnydd and Chief Whip. Eluned Morgan, MS.
Prif Weinidog,
First Minister of Wales.